Hello, what is up everybody, RL57 here, back with yet another diecast covered. In today's video, we will be checking out the Kaido House Mini GT Nissan Skyline GTR R34 Kaido Works version 2 Aero Japan Police. And as you can see right here, you have a pretty much simple looking box right here, which looks great. Let's take a look. So you have the car right there presented on the box. Kaido House Mini GT number 120 Nissan Skyline R34 Japan Police Edition. This is pretty much new as well. Kaido House right there, and yeah, that looks great. So it says Kaido House Mini GT. I do not know what does that say. That is stated in Japanese. I'm not entirely sure. Here it says Kaido House right there. The other side says kaidohouse.com and whatnot there. Looks cool. At the bottom of the box right here, you can see it says Aegis 14 Plus. You have your Nissan Motor Corporation licensed product. TSM model license right there. Nissan Skyline GTR R34 Kaido Works version 2 Aero Police. And there's the barcode if you do need so. And let's go ahead and take this out. So here it says Kaido House, car culture for all scales. Then yeah, it says Kaido House Mini GT right here. You can see the carbon right there on the side, sort of design. And there's the same thing again. So yeah, let's see the car right there, and there it is. And obviously, of course, this is not a chase. The chase version would come in sort of like a Zamax silver sort of color, which I do not really like. But still is pretty great one to have. Well, if you are a collector, of course. Taking out the the Kaido R34 Police. So this is different, and there is a reason why. It's not pretty much the same thing as I've reviewed the previous two times with the R34. First one being the Greddy Nissan GTR R34 with the Kaido House body kit. The second one being the Hornet Tamiya X Kaido House R34. Those had the version 1 Aero body kit. This one, however, is the version 2 Aero body kit, as you can see right here, which looks great. You have the more curved wide body, as you can see right here. Not much holes, not much air vents here and there for the car. Pretty much a cleaner version, as you can see. It's more sleek and more nice design, if you ask me personally. I really do like it. And yeah, overall I really do recommend this as well. The design and overall looks pretty nice, pretty much clean, if you ask me. And yeah, I didn't really expect Kaido House to release a Japanese police version of their R34 with the new body kit. Especially, this is the first time Kaido House has released this version 2 body kit for the R34, and obviously this is it, the first one right here with the R34 Police, which I'm quite a fan of, as you can see right here, colored in two-tone white and black. As you can see on the top, obviously you do have your metallic white paint scheme right there, which looks nice right on top. Very, very nice. And then the bottom half would be the metallic black running from the front to back, obviously. And they look great, honestly. They have a very nice color tone right here. White and black is overall Japan's police fleet, obviously. And yeah, they look pretty great. And I really do like the stunning details on this as well. Let's take a detailed look at this Kaido House R34 right now. Here it is, the Nissan GTR R34 Kaido works in the version 2 Aero, as you can see, in the Japanese police livery right here. So we're starting off from the side right here. You can let's talk about the rims first. So obviously you do have your matte silver sort of 5-spoke rims, which are nice, neat looking right there. The outer barrel is colored in black, as you can see right there. You do have your thin rubber tires right here, which is I believe Kaido works, which is nice. Pretty much a nice set of rims for the front and back. And then you have the Nismo logo right there at the back. Nissan right here at the side of the door right here. On top, yeah, you do have these this sort of Japanese text right there. It says Kaido House right here at the bottom. I don't know if you can see it, but there it is. So yeah, like I said, the top half is colored in white, the bottom half colored in black, which is nice. Rubber side mirror, no, plastic side mirror, as you can see right here, colored in white. Moving towards the front of the car, as you can see, you do obviously have your sleek white body kit right here on the side of the car, which looks great. A more curved design right here for the body kit, which looks great. I don't know what it says at the bottom right there, number 0, I think. Sort of like a number, I guess. Here on the front, you do have your regular tinted headlights right here, which are clear and transparent, and also lensed headlights, obviously. You do have your front grille right there. You have the GTR logo right there as well. You do have your blinkers right here, and then you do have some side vents and also the front vent right here. And you do have a carbon fiber front splitter right here on the front as well. Moving towards the windshield, obviously you have a regular windshield tint, Nissan text right there on the windshield, of course. Is that blacked out interior? I think it is. Is it blacked out? No, sorry, it's carbon fiber dashboard. So yeah, if you don't know, that is a carbon fiber dashboard. I'm not sure about the seats. I think it's black. So yeah, pretty much a blacked out interior right there inside, which is nice. And also the back, you can see the yellow roll cage right there at the back. The Nissan text right there on the top. On top as well, you can see number 000 and also the cop lights right here on the top. The police lights right here. The siren color in red, obviously famously known for these Japanese police cars. So obviously, if you don't know, Kaido House has their opening feature of the openable hood on these R34s. Let me just show you. There it is. So this one has a red engine right there. So a very nice looking engine bay, pretty much the same as the previous versions, as you can see. You have that chrome silver bar, you have some engine details which look great, and I really do like it. Overall, a nice looking engine bay. And yeah, let's take a look at the other side. So here it is, pretty much the same thing. Nothing much is different. Overall, I really do like it. Let's move on towards the back right here. So you do have your rear lip right here. So like a ducktail at the back of the R34. So what does it say right there? Built for the human race. Is it race or? Yeah, it does say built for the human race right there. Over this side, it has the Kaido House text right there. Over here, it just says, oops, sorry. So it just says built for the human race. You do have your circular rear lights on both sides right here. Brake lights right there. Nissan logo. GTR badge, your Skyline text right there as well, your brake lights and also your reverse lights, Nismo text right there, V-spec, and also you have your chrome silver exhaust tips on both sides right here, 2 on each side, which is nice. Overall the back looks very nice. So let's move on to the base of the car. I have this sort of purple base right here. Kaido House 1999 Nissan Skyline GTR R34, used under license, made in China, and metal base. So I bet after this there will be a lot more releases to the R34 version 2 body kit for the R34 specifically, like I said. Since this is the version 2, there will be a lot more, I believe. So supposedly more to come, I guess. The body kit, I would say it's really nice. It's more sleeker than the originally introduced body kit. I would say it's much more curved. This one's much more curved if you ask me, and yeah, much more sleeker, and I really do like the design and all. I really do like it. There's not much like Aero here and there, but still it is a really nice looking car nonetheless. And I like the fact that it is resembling a Japanese police car, which is great, and I really do like it. But yeah, there you go. That's my review of the Nissan Skyline GTR R34 Kaido Works version 2 Aero Japan Police Edition. And yeah, this is one of the great R34s released by Kaido Works as well. And once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. See my videos, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. See you soon. Bye bye.